What am I doing? Well, let's give it a go then, shall we? This is physics revision with RAB. Slightly less enthusiastically than any other subject. After having dived into the incoherent drivel that is my physics book, today we're going to be doing SUVAT. SUVAT is an equation of motion which accounts for displacement, distance, the initial and final velocity, the acceleration, and the time. It can be categorised in dimensions, and today we're looking into 1D as it is the easiest. Now, distance and displacement are not the same thing. Distance is the overall movement of what we are measuring, whereas displacement is relevant to the starting point. An example of this is if one were to walk around in a circle, they may move 1 metre, but they have not displaced at all. Both can be used in SUVAT, but it is dependent on the type of question. Given that there's surprisingly not very much to learn about SUVAT, I suppose we're going to go into some practice questions now, and see what everything's worth and how to work it out, etc, etc. Here is just a randomly selected question I found on the internet. Under constant acceleration, if the distance travelled is 9 metres, the acceleration is -6 metres per second, and the time of travel is 15 seconds, then the initial velocity is what? Well, let's try and work it out. So, here we're trying to work out the initial velocity, u, and we know s, a, and t. So what equation can we use to determine the answer? We can't use an equation with v as we're unsure of that quantity, so we should rearrange s is equal to ut plus 1/2 at squared. To rearrange the equation, divide everything by t, leaving you with s over t is equal to u plus 1/2 at squared. Then, simply minus the part of the equation which is not u, giving you u is equal to s divided by t minus 1/2 at. After this, well, it's as simple as plugging in the numbers, which we know, and it should give the answer of 45.6 meters per second squared. Physics videos are undoubtedly the hardest videos that I'm going to have to make, although I do intend to make a lot more physics videos because, as you can clearly see, I need to learn it a little bit better. Thank you for watching, Rabites, and be sure to stay tuned. I'll release a video probably on Wednesday because I'm working Monday, Tuesday, and see you next time. Cheers!